Hello friends! Welcome back to my channel Tech Gitter Official. In today's video, I'll show you how to activate Crunchyroll on your device easily and quickly. So, let's get started. To activate Crunchyroll, just follow these simple steps. 1. Create a Crunchyroll account. If you don't already have one, visit the official Crunchyroll website and click on Sign Up. Enter your details to create your account. 2. Log into your account. Once your account is created, log in using your username and password. 3. Activate on your device. If you're using a streaming device such as Roku, Apple TV, PlayStation, or a smart TV, you'll need to link your device to your Crunchyroll account. Open the Crunchyroll app on your device, and you'll see an activation code on the screen. Now, visit crunchyroll.com/activate on a web browser, sign into your account, and enter the activation code displayed on your TV or device. After a few seconds, your device will refresh automatically, and your account will be successfully activated. 4. Optional, activate Crunchyroll Premium. If you'd like to enjoy ad-free streaming, early access to episodes, and exclusive content, go to the settings or subscription section in your Crunchyroll account. Choose your plan and follow the steps to add your payment details. That's it. Your device is now activated, and you're all set to start streaming your favorite anime anytime, anywhere. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to Tech Gitter Official for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and have a great day.